Hello, my dear friend. I am happy you are here again tonight. You are giving yourself this gift of rest, of peace, of healing. Tonight, we will talk about a safe place. Not a place outside, not a house or a city or a country, but a safe place inside. A safe place in your own heart. This place is always with you. This place is always open. This place is always waiting. Life can be busy. Life can be loud. Life can be full of stress. Sometimes people are not kind. Sometimes the world feels heavy. Sometimes you feel tired, or scared, or alone. At those times, you need a safe place. A place where you can rest, a place where you can breathe, a place where you can feel calm. You do not need to go far. You do not need money. You only need your heart. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out slowly. Now imagine a place. This place is for you. This place is safe. This place is soft. What does it look like? Maybe it is a beach. Maybe it is a garden. Maybe it is a mountain. Maybe it is a room with warm light. There are no rules. It can be real. It can be a dream. It can be anything you like. This is your safe place. Only you can enter. Only you can decide. Once, there was a little girl. She lived in a busy town. There was noise, cars, and people shouting. The girl felt afraid. She felt small. She felt lost. One day, she found a big tree in the park. She sat under the tree. The tree gave her shade. The tree gave her silence. The tree gave her peace. Every time she felt afraid, she went to the tree. It became her safe place. It became her home inside her heart. Take another deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Say to yourself, I am safe. I am calm. I am at peace. Feel these words in your body. Feel these words in your mind. Feel these words in your heart. Every breath is protection. Every breath is comfort. Every breath is your safe place. In your safe place, you can keep anything. You can keep happy memories. You can keep gentle words. You can keep soft music. You can keep light, love, and hope. This place will never be full. There is always space. There is always room. There is always welcome. When life is hard, come here. When you feel pain, come here. When you feel lonely, come here. Your safe place is always ready. There was once a traveler. He walked many roads. He saw many people. Sometimes he was happy. Sometimes he was hurt, but the traveler carried a small box. Inside the box, he kept little things: a feather, a stone, a picture, a letter. Every time he felt afraid, he opened the box. He looked at the things. He remembered joy. He remembered love. He remembered safety. The box was his safe place. It lived in his heart. Let us practice together. Close your eyes again. See your safe place. Look around. What colors do you see? What sounds do you hear? What smells are in the air? Maybe you hear birds. Maybe you hear water. Maybe you smell flowers. Maybe you feel warm air. Now sit down in this place. Feel the ground, feel the light, feel the peace. This is your safe place. This is always inside you. Repeat softly after me. I carry safety inside me. My heart is a safe place. I can return to peace anytime. I am safe. I am calm. I am protected. These words are your shield. These words are your light. Fear is normal. Fear is human. Fear is not the enemy, but fear does not control you. When fear comes, you can go to your safe place. When fear comes, you can breathe slowly. When fear comes, you can remind yourself, I am safe in my heart. I am not alone. I can rest. Fear will pass. Safety will stay. There was once a boy who could not sleep. He was scared of the dark. He was scared of noise. He was scared of being alone. His grandmother gave him a blanket. She said, "This blanket is love. This blanket is safety. This is your safe place." The boy wrapped himself in the blanket. He felt warm. He felt calm. He felt safe. Soon he learned the blanket was not magic. The blanket only helped him remember. The true safe place was inside his heart. Like a garden, your safe place needs care. You can add new memories. You can add gentle words. You can add soft music. You can keep light, love, and hope. This place will never be full. There is always space. There is always room. There is always welcome. Close your eyes again. See your safe place. Sit down in your place. Breathe slowly. Let your body relax. Let your mind be soft. Say to yourself, this is my safe place. I can come here anytime. I am safe. I am free. I am at peace. Feel this truth. Feel this love. Feel this calm. My dear friend, your heart is your home. Your heart is your shelter. Your heart is your safe place. The world can be loud. The world can be heavy. But you always carry peace inside you. Trust it. Use it. Rest in it. Tonight, as you close your eyes, let your safe place hold you. Let your safe place heal you. Let your safe place bring you to sleep. Good night. You are safe. You are loved. You are home.